On the left side, click on the Keyword Strategy Builder. Here you'll see that it auto-populates a single keyword, coconut water. If you scroll down, you can see our list that we've been creating. Go ahead and click to open the list. Here you can see that we have 12 keywords with a total search volume of 104.6 thousand. If we wanted to build a strategy around this list, we could go up to the top right and click Cluster this list. However, Semrush will point out that 12 keywords is not nearly enough to create a profitable strategy. We need more keywords in order to do this. So instead, let's automatically create a strategy using 5 of these keywords as our seed keywords. Since we've already identified keywords that we like, now let's just identify keywords that have the best search volume. Go ahead and click the volume column to sort by high to low, and then check the boxes for the first 5. In the upper right, click the Export button. Make sure we're just exporting the selected ones, and click CSV. Go ahead and save it. Open up the file, and then in the keyword column, click the first keyword, and then shift-click to select all the keywords and copy them. Back in Semrush, let's go to the Keyword Strategy Builder again. And here, paste in your seed keywords. Next, click Create List. Now Semrush automatically generates an entire content strategy based on our 5 keywords. Scrolling down here, we can see a topical overview, which is a map of its proposed topics with pillar content and subpages. Scrolling down, we can see in more detail the pillar pages with the high-level topic and all the keywords it proposes for the topic, as well as the specific subpages for each topic. So what are pillar pages and subpages? Think of a pillar page as your main guide. Like for this pillar page here, cocoa water, it could be the ultimate guide to coconut water. That's your hub. Then you create subpages that go deeper into specific questions people search for. Things like, does coconut water taste good? Or carbonated coconut water. All those pages link back to the main guide and to each other. That structure helps Google understand your site, improves your rankings, and keeps readers exploring your content. So how do you start building this? Start by creating a pillar page as an overview or guide. After that, use each subpage to go in depth on one specific angle. Over time, this structure helps you rank for both broad and specific searches and keeps traffic flowing between your pages.